Welcome back to Most Amazing Top 10. Today we're going to be looking at one of the most powerful forces of nature and a reminder of just how small humans are. Avalanches. Avalanches happen all the time, all over the world. Many of them occur without humans ever seeing them. Sometimes though, humans are right there when they happen and their cameras have captured some of the craziest footage I have ever seen. Let's take a look at 10 of the best right now with the top 10 scary avalanches caught on camera. Starting off at number 10 now, we have Everest. Now it's no surprise that the biggest mountain in the world will produce some of the biggest avalanches of all time. On April 25th, 2015, a huge avalanche hit the base camp of Mount Everest where climbers gather before attempting to scale the mountain. This video is a terrifying account of that day, uploaded by Just Kobusk the day after. The video starts with them noticing a tremor in the ground. They aren't particularly scared of this though until they turn around to see a huge silent wall of snow descending upon them. That's when the panic really sets in. Next up at number 9 now we have Sage. Sage Catabriga Alosa is one of the most famous skiers in the world, known for pushing the limits of the sport through his raw skills and bravery. That almost landed him in a lot of danger though when he was skiing in Alaska in 2012. Check out this clip of when his skiing triggered a giant avalanche that almost swallowed him whole. Next up at number 8 now we have Whistler. In January 2017, a video from a snowboarder's GoPro went viral from his trip on top of a mountain in Whistler, British Columbia. Out of absolutely nowhere, the ridge he's on just collapses below him and he is swept up in a river of snow. I honestly think it's a miracle that he made it out alive without being pulled under. Just imagine if this happened to you. Moving on to number 7 now, we have Narbaren. Narbaren Mountain in Norway is a very steep mountain known for its big avalanches. In 2013, a lot of snow had built up at the very top, so a company working by the mountain decided to use explosives to set off a controlled avalanche. It all went to plan, quite smoothly, but the sheer force of the avalanche was still as scary as the natural one. Coming in at number 6 now, we have the Outrun. This is a clip of professional snowboarder Hunter Schlieper. In 2014, a video of him snowboarding got hundreds of thousands of views because it showed him trying to outrun an avalanche that he had created himself. The video was shot from two perspectives. One of them was taken by his friends on a nearby hill, the other was taken by his GoPro camera. Both of them showed just how much of a close shave it really was. Alright, next up at number 5 now, we have the GoPro. This video was uploaded to YouTube by Nathan Post in 2010. Now he went snowboarding along a ridge in the Colorado mountains with a GoPro attached to his helmet. Things were going quite well, but at one point he walked up to the top of a peak and suddenly the snow below him just gave way. If he had been standing just a few steps to the left, I think he probably would have been swept away and buried alive. Moving on to number 4 now, we have the ski lift. At this point in the video, I'm sure none of you guys are doubting the sheer power of an avalanche, but this will definitely seal the deal. In March 2012, a 500-meter long avalanche crushed the French alpine skiing resort of Saint-François-Longchamp. Panic broke out as it hit the ski lift there, with people still desperately trying to get off it. Next up at number 3 now, we have the close call. In January 2015, snowboarder Greg Hungunin visited Hatcher Pass by Marmot Mountain in Alaska. Moments after he began his descent there, he heard a crack and saw an avalanche behind him. He only realized the full scale of the avalanche though when he got to safety and saw this river of snow just cascading down the mountain. Alright, coming in number 2 now guys, we have Julien Lopez. Julien Lopez is an extreme skier who has made quite the name for himself in the skiing world, attempting very dangerous descents down mountains where many others would never try. One of his closest calls came in 2013 when he uploaded this video of him setting off an avalanche. He did a very good job of outrunning it at first, but the avalanche always wins. And finally at number 1 we have the Alps. Our final clip here was uploaded by Sammy Breuer in February 2017 and titled "Snowboarder Caught in a Terrifying Avalanche," and he honestly wasn't wrong. Sammy sets off on his board and almost instantly the ground gives way below him. The speed he gets dragged along at is insane. You just see trees and rocks whizzing by on either side. You can hear the fear in his voice and breathing in this clip, and once you see it, I'm sure you can see why. And that is that. How do you feel about avalanches now? I'm sure we all still respect them and fear them, but hopefully none of you guys will ever be near one in your lives, unless you are a pro skier or snowboarder, in which case, good luck. You're braver than I am. My name is Danny Burke. Thank you as always for watching guys, and I will see you all in the next video.